Many organizations manage their testing efforts within platforms like Jira and Azure DevOps, where requirements, user stories, test cases, and defects are already part of the development lifecycle. The challenge is turning those assets into scalable automation without introducing additional complexity or forcing teams to rebuild work they've already completed. TestWheel bridges that gap. Through its integrations with Jira and Azure DevOps, teams can import existing test cases directly from their development environment and use AI to transform them into fully executable automated tests. Rather than starting from scratch, organizations can leverage the test assets they've already invested in, accelerating automation adoption while maintaining alignment with existing workflows. Once generated, automated tests can be executed within TestWheel, providing detailed visibility into application quality, execution status, and test results. When issues are identified, the process doesn't stop at detection. TestWheel enables teams to create and track defects directly within Jira or Azure DevOps, ensuring findings are routed back into the systems developers and testers already use every day. The result is a connected testing ecosystem where test creation, automation, execution, reporting, and defect management work together seamlessly.